Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another video. I did some more tags using some napkins. This one is a beverage cocktail napkin. This one was a 4-panel one. I've already removed the backing, which every single napkin has a backing that you need to remove before you start crafting with it, or else you will get frustrated and have to glue down all those layers. So this is what I'm talking about right here. So this one has 2 of them. See right here. And you do have to remove it before you work with the napkin. And so I have done that with this one. So I went ahead and did 2 napkins right here. And after I stop talking, I'll show the process of how I made it, but it's very simple. All I did was get tags, and I always have tags that are already pre-cut. This one is watercolored, so the one I used here, it's watercolored in green. And I have a whole mess of them. I have a whole mess of them here that are ready to be made into tags. So I use something like this. That's just cardstock. So I had stamped these a couple of days ago, or maybe weeks, I don't remember. A whole bunch of them, and celebrating you today. I don't remember from what stamps that I used, but I figured that one was a good one with this napkin. And in the back, I didn't put anything in the back as I usually do. I just left it like that. So this one I did date it, so this will go into my ring. I've been making tags and I just add them to a ring, so this one will be added here for this week. Let's see. And it'll go like that. So this one I dated it wrong. This one I did yesterday. I should have put 6/10, but whatever. And so this one will just be one that I will put with my collection that I can use to give to someone, or to put into my journal, or use it as a tag, as a gift tag. They're very simple to make. I did, like I said, I will show you the process video after this, showing you how I did it, but all I did was get the tag, and then I put some scrapbook paper on top of the tag itself. I glued it, and then all this is more scrap paper that I keep on the side to use. Same thing with this one, just found paper here, and then I went and sewed all around it, and then I did use a little bit of ink on the side. And that's it. They came together really quickly, and this is just some satin ribbon that I have here, that I usually buy ribbon whenever I see it on sale. And so yeah, that's what I did today. Very simple, doesn't take very long, and I still am able to play with my paper and create something. So just wanted to share how easy the making of this is. So as soon as I stop talking, you will see how I made it. Thank you for watching.